When I came, my friend Dr. Tina, she took me to NIMHANS, and there they diagnosed I have got the tumor in my brain of 2.5 centimeters. And then diagnosis went further that फिर मैंने मेरा हिस्ट्री पूछा. जब मैं 8 साल का था तो क्रिकेट बॉल से चोट लगा था मुझे, और वो उस समय तो ब्रेन फीवर वगैरह हुआ, हल्का फुल्का मेरी मम्मी ने बताया था मुझे, एंड देन आई वाज ऑलराइट. Then we forgot it. Now that wound has become 2.5 centimeter tumor in my brain now in this age. So doctors told immediately surgery is needed. By then COVID had come and I postponed it for 1 year. Next again I came, it was 2.8 centimeter of tumor. And then surgery became needed. So 2021 January in Bangalore I got the surgery done. It was good surgery, the NIMHANS HOD and these guys, they were really brilliant at their subject, and I came home. While I had stitches on my head, I was still teaching some online courses. That kind of passion I still carry, and teaching courses heals me more. Now 2 weeks later, my doctor called me when the biopsy report came of my tumor, and they declared it's a malignant cancer, grade 4. The beauty of being on this path, the kind of anxiety and worry people may feel, I didn't feel any such thing. They said you have to go for radiation and chemotherapy, just 2 doses will be enough. And my doctor friends, they started calling me and giving, Rohit chinta mat karo type things. Trust me, I was not having any chinta. Actually, I have full faith that even if something happens to me, I'll go back to Gurudev only. Yeah, after life as well. So not having that worry, I'll tell you the magic of that, what happened. I did not go for any chemo, any radiation. Did not want to pay for all that. I have seen people taking chemo and radiation and they're dying. So my concept was like, even if I have to die, I better die now, rather having that pain and then die. 6 months later, when COVID wave 2 and all was gone, then as a protocol post-surgery, I went to the doctor. I don't think name is needed. And the surgeon was pleased with the scan. He said, wow, how was your radiation? How was your chemotherapy experience and all that? I said, no radiation, nothing I took. He said, come on. I mean, the reports are so good. Even the wound of surgery is also healed. He said, what did you do in 6 months then? I said, the basic medicines you have given. And then I was eating food in the ashram, was meeting Gurudev every day, and the Sudarshan Kriya in the morning and Sahaj in the evening I was doing every day. Then that doctor, he said this line, you meditators always challenge medical science. And he proudly told me some more stories that because of political reasons we cannot disclose it, that those who meditate, their brain cells automatically start taking shape of Om. And Om, if you write like this, then it closes here like that. Then no growth happens. So wound is also healed and there is no growth. Forget about any growth. So in 6 months with Sudarshan Kriya and Sahaj Samadhi meditation every day in the evening, and I was teaching online programs, was meeting Gurudev because COVID time thought I was very lucky to see Gurudev every day. And just ashram simple food I would have. And I healed my cancer that was reaching grade 4. So the healing, number 1, the grace. Number 2, the faith I had. And number 3, I had no anxiety and fear कि मुझे कुछ हो जाएगा. These 3 things, doctor, the senior surgeon of NIMHANS also acknowledged that these 3 things are way more helpful than radiation and chemo. I mean, it may be some cases that radiation chemo might have helped people for sure. But these 3 things, anybody who might be struggling, whose stage might have been, मेरे से ज़्यादा खराब भी हो सकता है स्थिति उसका. Anybody may, try to apply grace, your faith in the master, and third, no worry about the future. Doctor acknowledged that these 3 things were more helpful to your healing. And in 6 months I was fine. Then 6 more months I had some medicines to take morning and evening. And I'm done. Just the scar is there. वो भी अभी बाल मुंडाया हुआ है इसलिए दिख रहा है इसका. Otherwise there is no difference. So the grace takes care till this level. I healed my, glioma grade 4 cancer also. All the reports are there. Doctors are still doing research on me that what is this Sahaj Samadhi meditation, what is this Sudarshan Kriya that can heal the brain, a tumor, brain cancer as well. So since you asked about the healing, this is the prime experience I have. Though with this story, I don't promise, I don't guarantee, or none of us will guarantee that cancer gets healed. But definitely this helps. This helps in surviving. I was lucky, I got healed totally. But it helps in surviving very well.